Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus versus the S21 Ultra. 85 pesos versus 90,000 pesos back in 2021. Startup test muna tayo, sino kaya yung mauuna between both? Helio G100 on the Infinix and Exynos 2100 on the Samsung. So nauna sa Infinix in this test, the Samsung is still loading. Parehas nga pala silang AMOLED display, parehas may deep blacks. Scrolling is similar between both, good for day-to-day usage, but still may minor stutter here and there. Surprisingly na sobrang ganda ng screen-to-body ratio ng Infinix. Opening up Instagram, so here nauna yung Infinix in this test. Now opening up TikTok, 8 gigs of RAM nga pala on the Infinix and 12 gigs on the S21. So here nauna na naman sa Infinix, and scrolling through TikTok, they have some similarities. Good for day-to-day usage, but still may minor stutters. Now opening up YouTube. Here in YouTube, nauna ulit si Infinix. Personal copy ko nga pala si S21, so it's really well used. Now opening up a website. Let's open Apple website. Here in this test, nauna ulit si Infinix. So for 85 pesos, surprising na nanalo si Infinix in all.